Hey, let's look at this example and solve it. Actually, you will see something like this many times. So here it says, assume there are 95 million TVs in a country, in a certain country. Each TV uses an average 75 watts of power and is turned on for 6 hours a day. If electrical energy costs 13 cents per kilowatt hour, how much money is spent every day in keeping 95 million TVs turned on? So we are looking for the amount of money. Now, how do we solve this problem? You don't actually need to use any equation to solve this problem, okay? You just need to look at the unit. So this here is kilowatt hour, and it's actually a unit to measure the consumption of electricity and how much you pay for it. And for each kilowatt hour, you pay this amount of money. Okay? That's how much you pay per kilowatt hour. So from reading your problem, you have the power, and you have the hours it's turned on, and you have how much you pay for kilowatt hour, and you have how many TVs. Okay? So the best way is to look at the unit. So if you come out with this 95 million times 10 to the power 6, so that's how much power if you multiply it by the power, that's how much power you have for the 95 million TV sets. That's watt. So I'm going to put here watt. So we got the watt here. Okay. Now, if you want to multiply by 6 hours, because you have each one of them works for 6 hours a day, and we're looking for the day. Okay, so that's 6 hours. So I'm putting the hours, and what is left is basically that's how much money you pay per kilowatt hour. Okay, per kilowatt hour. So maybe per kilowatt, so you have to divide by 1,000, because you're getting this per kilowatt. This is watt. Okay, so you multiply this by K and you divide by 1,000, you get the same number. Okay, so we have kilowatt hour. Now we pay 13 cents per kilowatt hour. So I'm gonna multiply this here. I'm gonna use the white here. So we pay $0.13 per kilowatt hour. Now look, hour with hour goes away, watt with watt goes away, kilo with kilo goes away, so we are left off with a dollar amount, and that will be equal to $5.56 times 10 to the power 6. So it's about $5,560,000 to turn the TVs on for 6 hours in one country. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.